Hey, Mitch Eilerman back with you again. We're going to go through a few more different motorhomes and different units here. So we're going to start first with a 2023 Viper 29 V as in Victor, right? All right, we've got a question from the audience real quick I'm going to answer. Okay, so the question is the finance price and the cash price the same? No, okay, and let me explain why. So we give you the back end money that we get from the bank, right? If you pay cash, we don't get the back end money to give to you. So what a cash buyer will always do, unless they couldn't get qualified, a cash buyer never comes in and pays cash with us, because you can literally come in, finance the unit. On your first payment, you can pay everything off but 12 payments. It goes directly to the principal loan. You only spend a couple $100 in interest to save $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, whatever the discount is per different line that you're running. So hope that clarifies that question. If you got any questions, call in. You can reach me or my staff at 937-843-4380, and we can go over that and get the finance officer on the phone and discuss that a little bit as well. So that's an excellent question. Thanks for asking. Okay, let's start here. So we're going to look at a 2023 Viper 29 V as in Victor. This is a leftover model. We are selling all motorized, anything 23 or 22. We are selling below invoice, so it's definitely a buy for you, the customer, with our sale running today. So starting on the exterior, you've got full body paint. It's almost like a, I would call this like a white with like a darker blue color with some grays and everything mixed in there. So it does have slide topper already over top of the slides. This particular model will have 3 slide outs. You've got one here, one on the other side, and then one in the back off that side, which is going to give you opposing slides in your living area as well as a bedroom slide as well. So as you come back here, you've got an opening here that says it has a television in there, so you can watch TV underneath your power awning. You do have a full LED light. Come back here real quick. I'll show them the back side of this. So it is a one-piece rear cap, which is more aggressive. Its longevity is going to be longer on this because it's a one-piece cap there, where that they're putting that around. And then they've got your backup camera receiver with your 7-pin there as well. Sliding over here, they've got your exhaust on the off door side, your main entry door. I like how they did that paint all the way through, even your doors and entry and everything there. And then they've got an exterior light right there as well, entry door. So let's go inside, check this thing out. All right, come on in. Man, you're good with that camera, bud. You can get that as we go through. I appreciate that, Gator. As we come in here, you're gonna notice this is called the entertainment center well, entertainment above the cab, right? So some motorhomes have like a bed up here. Well, this particular model, they've utilized this with more storage, television, and then as you can see up front here, you've got a little bit more head clearance here too. So does have your driver passenger seat, plenty of cup holders. It does have your nice screen right there, and then obviously you've got you know, your ability to get in and out simple on both sides there as well. Coming over, again, what I was telling you on the outside is look how much space you've got in here, right? Because you've got a slide out here, you've got a slide out here, you've got your sofa here, that does tee down to a bed, like a futon. Your dinette goes in the bed, so you necessarily don't need this up here to sleep because you've already got 2 more sleeping areas right here. So I like that, man. It makes a major difference having 2 slides opposing one another because it really opens up your space. You know, a lot of people, especially around here, like to go down to Florida in the winter. This is perfect for that because when you go down, now you can basically stay in this thing for a couple months. It's comfortable enough to do that. So let's move over to the kitchen area. Residential microwave. I believe this is a convection microwave as well. So you can bake, actually I know it is, because what they've done here is they've went with a 3-burner cooktop, right? But instead of putting a small oven that doesn't have any space, they've went ahead and put a nice big storage drawers here, so you can utilize all this space without a small oven being there, and you can bake and use this all in one. So really utilizing space there, giving you more space. You got drawers down below here. As you come over here, you got your undermount stainless steel sink. It does have the nicer sink covers here, so it gives you more counter space when not utilizing that. It does have the residential sprayer, more storage up top, full storage up there as well. Directly behind me, you've got your nice residential refrigerator, right, as you come in here. So you've got all that. So that's nice to have too. There's that. All right, let's move towards the back to our bathroom as well as our rear bedroom. All right, so I'm gonna let you slide by me. Be easier to show it that way. So as we can see here, you're gonna notice you've got your toilet, sink, and then storage. So you got your medicine cabinet up top, and then you also have storage below your sink there as well. Coming right behind me is going to be your shower. So it is a radius shower, so you can get in and out. It does have an accordion door that comes across, so it gives separation here. And then when you go open this up, then that'll give you, got a magnet there. So that separates off, so you've got your whole bathroom when taking a shower separated off. Let's go through specs, right? So this is only 30 foot 8 inches, okay? And then you're going to be 8 foot wide, 3 slide outs again. And for this small of a unit, you've got a ton of space. You can really notice how much you've got full walk around queen bed, nice window in the back, and then look at all your entertainment. Your entertainment center back here with a TV, but also all those cabinets. Hell, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers, and you've got 2 hanging closets and more storage down below as well. So big thing here is you're also going to notice is that you've got all your AC is ran through the front or through the ceiling, and then your heating and everything's all ran through your ducts and everything down below.